model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom €340 ULEZ compliant XRR spares OR repair. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 123,277. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. This is a very clean van worth getting the engine work done. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. This is an XR that has been maintained regardless. It has a rear up and over tailgate, strong towbar fitted 12 volts electrical jump, LED port front and rear, great spec with air conditioning. Features.